This Coldwell Banker Realty Waikele property video is presented by Valentina L. Danilyuk-Drumhelle. Less than bedroom greater than license #RS 74923. Rare opportunity to own a home in the desirable Makakilo-Wai Kaloi community. This spacious, bright contemporary style single family home features open floor plan with luxury vinyl planks / laminate / carpet / tile flooring, maple color kitchen cabinets with Corian counters, lots of closets and plenty of space. 21 Sanyo PV panels owned and net metered. 1 bedroom with full bath downstairs is ideal for your guests or extended family. Extra bedroom in the finished basement with a walk-in shower. Nicely landscaped yard with fruit tress and organic garden. Panoramic views of Waianae Mountains, Diamond Head, city and ocean from the home, and unique trellis deck will captivate your senses. Conveniently close to schools, major shopping centers and famous